Hi and welcome. My name is Lottie and I am a sex and intimacy specialist. And I wanted to talk to you tonight about the Playbook, the comprehensive guide to working with couples. I just want to give you a brief overview of what's on offer. So my daughter Fi and I, we run the Playbook, and we are very excited to tell you that the NCPS have taken it on board, and we are now Specialist Advanced Certificate, which is fantastic. We are so excited to be starting this in March and giving you the opportunity, if you already work with couples, then enhancing your practice, or if you don't work with couples at all but you really want to and you want to work out how to fit them in your practice, then the Playbook could be for you. So I want to give you an overview of what that looks like. So it's 4 months, 2 days a month for 8 days, and it will give you the opportunity to really niche down into working with couples and give you all the information you could ever need. So I don't hold back on resources. Everything I say, everything I show you, everything I know will be given to you over that time span of the Playbook. So let's start with March. March will give you everything in a bundle to do with assessments, to do with how to work with clients and your expectations of them, how to write an inquiry form and send it out, and what's the point, why do we need it, and also how to work with Lottie. So we'll be giving you absolutely everything we do, but I actually do it a little bit differently and still get enough information, and then I can profile my clients. Profiling means that we can actually sit in a place of going, I know exactly what these clients need, and feeding back the profile to them will give them the opportunity to realise that this therapist is really listening to me. In April, we start with the tools. It's a whole 2 days of how to work with tools. When I started doing couple work, I really felt like something was missing. The talking therapy is so vital, but they needed something when they're in crisis to help them navigate a path. And having all the tools that I've done myself, taken from other resources, niched into how I want to work. This gives me the opportunity to share all of this with you. And it's knowing when to give the tools, knowing all of the timing of all the things that you need. As we go through all of the things we do, it just makes a contract for the client so that they can see that they're making progress, especially couples. So month 3 will be conflict, looking at what that means for you personally, how you've dealt with conflict yourself. So Fi will be doing the coaching side of that, and I'll be doing the counselling. We've niched together counselling and coaching and incorporated that, which is a very different way of working, and it's really useful to combine the two. Plus we give the opportunity to look at your business model. Month 4, so we will be looking at June, affairs. So that's quite a difficult thing for some therapists to hold. So being able to sit in a place of holding both of them at the same time, because they're both struggling in different ways, and feeling that heartbreak, which does affect therapists, and sitting in that place of leadership, being able to hold them through that. Then in the afternoon, we'll be talking all about sex, how we feel about sex, how we are shamed by sex, and how we can talk about sex, but also being able to sit in a place of dysfunctions, brief medical model so that you keep your clients safe. It's just another language that we need to share with our clients so that they feel really supported and they're able to talk to you about how they're feeling. So all of that is really important. So from March to June, we will give the opportunity to really invest in working with couples. I really want to build a community of couple therapists. I think it's very unique, and I think there's something about being really robust when you are a couple therapist. Holding that space for 2 people can sometimes not be easy, and I want to hear from people who are interested in this, but also interested in couple work in itself. Please look on the website and join our community. Start to invest in working with couples. So I hope to hear from you.